The library provides access to dozens of specialty databases, which are searchable portals to thousands of articles, journals, streaming content, and more. When you're starting your search, using the library catalog can save you a lot of time by searching all of this content and the books all at once. The library catalog connects you not only to our collection of print and ebooks, but also to most of our streaming video and many of our periodical databases, like JSTOR, EBSCO, ProQuest, and Wiley. From the library catalog, you can choose the advanced search. It's also a good idea to sign in because this will allow you to easily save items with a customized label. And note you can attach to items you find and want to keep, and you can download and read articles right away since you'll be recognized as a college user. I want to click the Everything button at the top here, and like most databases, you have multiple boxes here to separate individual concepts or search items and combine them as needed. Let's ask for our search terms to show up in the title field. I click here at the drop-down menu, here at the drop-down menu, and then I put in my search terms: housing and reform. Then I click search. This search yields almost 1,000 results. The first several appear to be books or ebooks, but if you look at the sidebar limiting options, you'll see that the results also include hundreds of articles. I click here and I click here, then I apply filters in order to see just the articles from my search. If I look at number 8 in my search results, is a peer-reviewed journal article, an academic article reviewed and vetted by others in the field or area of specialty from reviewing this record. We have information about the publication date, authors, and publication title. You can download this title right away or email it to yourself. From the catalog, you can also pin the item right here. And once you review what is pinned in your account, you can tag it with a label because you've signed in with Oceana College's ID. Because I've clicked on the record, I can see that this article is available through the EBSCO database. A lot of these results are from academic journals, and maybe for my search, I want something from a more mainstream publication. I can unclick the articles, and I'll be left with content from magazines only, and there are still over 160 items to review. If I select the first record, I can see that this is an article from 2020. It's from a real estate related publication, and I can see that it comes from the Gale database subscription. This video illustrates how starting your search in the library catalog with the Everything option is a great way to find a range of information sources on your topic, including books, magazines, and journal articles. Please note that you'll need to go directly to the Newsbank database to access the broadest range of newspaper articles. The Everything search doesn't actually capture everything, but it's still a great starting point. Remember to ask a librarian if you need more help.